box of elbows, block of Velveeta. Make sure the noodles are nice and even on both sides. We're doing an easy crock pot mac and cheese. All right, I'm gonna grab some whole milk. I'm doing my pasta raw, and this milk is just gonna cook it up. Okay, perfect. And then I want this extra creamy, so I have some whipping cream that I'm gonna add in there. You want the noodles to be fully submerged in liquid to cook. Okay, that looks perfect.
Ooh, that block of cheese is just staring at me.
Right? It's gonna melt and be so good when we mix it all together. All right, and we want this nice and seasoned, so I have some pepper.
And this is all done in a crock pot, so you can just set it and forget it. Right?
Exactly. Okay, I know that's a lot of pepper, but this is a big dish of macaroni. You don't want to underseason it, okay?
Ever.
And then I have some salt. I'm just gonna put this in my hand so I don't over salt it. I'm gonna sprinkle it in there. Okay, so we have our salt and our pepper. Perfect. All right, and then I found this awesome Kraft mac and cheese.
What? I've never seen that before.
Me either, so I wanted to try it out. I thought it was perfect for this recipe, but if you can't find this exact one, you can just use a 3 cheese cheddar. Okay, I'm gonna be very generous with this cheese because it's a mac and cheese. You can't do mac and cheese without cheese, right?
Yeah, I want the whole bag in there.
Yeah.
You know me.
So this is a 1 pound bag of cheese.
Okay.
All right, that is
you wash
it.
your hands, right?
Of course my hands are washed. Who do you think I am?
Okay, good.
All right, grab your lid, and we're gonna turn this baby on high.
Hi.
And let the magic happen. Okay, so we did 3 cans of corn drained. Grab some Colby Jack cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. I'm gonna use the whole bag. I'm gonna grab some cream cheese. Right in there in our crock pot. I'm gonna use 2 bars of cream cheese. Perfect. What we're making today is a yummy dip. This is great for game day. It's great for a party. I love making this on Sundays for football. This is 2 jalapenos chopped up.
Game day dip is probably one of the most important things ever.
Yeah. All right, and then I'm gonna grab some sour cream. I just love making it in my crock pot because it's so easy. You just set it and forget it. You're gonna use about 2/3 a cup of sour cream. Perfect, I just eyeballed it. All right, and that is it. We have a couple more things we're gonna add when it's cooked, but this is it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and set this on high, and then we're gonna let it cook. All right, so it's been an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on low, and then I'm gonna grab some queso fresco, 1 whole package. And we're gonna go ahead and cut this up into chunks to add into our dip. This is gonna make it extra creamy and super delicious and just super cheesy too. I don't like to add it in right away because it melts way too quick. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Perfect. Doesn't matter how your chunks look as long as they're not full. All right, let's open this baby up. Woo, all that steam.
Look at that.
I mixed it about halfway through at 30 minutes, so that's why it's all nice and blended. Okay. Add that queso fresco.
Look at that.
And then the last ingredient we're gonna add is some pre-cooked bacon that I cut up into bits. And we're just gonna put that right on top. This is gonna be so good. I'm so excited.
Gosh, look at that.
All right, let's go ahead and mix that queso and that bacon into it.
It smells delicious. The aroma is outrageous.
Yeah.
Like, whoa.
Okay, so now we're gonna let this cook for about 30 more minutes while it's on low.
All right.
Okay, use about a half a jar of your marinara. Grab a package of frozen ravioli. I'm doing the cheese, but you can do whatever type you like. Right in there, I use the whole package. Perfect. Grab some cooked beef. Put it right on top of those raviolis. Because even though we did cheese ravioli, this is gonna be a meaty dish.
It smells so good.
Yes, this is gonna be delicious. Okay, we're gonna use half a pound. Kind of spread that just like this. Perfect. And of course, you gotta get some mozzarella. Be generous with your mozzarella.
Oh wow, beautiful.
I'm kind of just eyeballing this, but you can use as much cheese or as little cheese as you want. Okay, use the rest of that marinara, but don't worry, we're not done yet. Beautiful. I'm gonna do some pepper. Some sea salt. And then I like to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Just really get it flavorful.
I love that blend of seasoning.
Me too. Okay, now this is gonna be feeding a lot of people, so you're gonna do another bag of ravioli. This is an 8-quart crock pot, so it fits a lot. I don't want any space in my crock pot. Grab another jar. Use half of it right on top of your raviolis.
Just half, okay.
Yeah, you guys told me that Rouse is the best, so I'm putting it to the test today, okay? Use the rest of our ground beef.
Oh, I like how you've layered it, kind of like a little lasagna style.
Yes, exactly. Okay, perfect. This is almost done. Use the rest of that Rouse. So we use 2 jars total with 2 bags of ravioli. And then of course, we are finishing this off with more mozzarella.
Excellent.
And this is almost done. It's so quick, so good, all in our crock pot slow cooker, and it's gonna be delicious. I promise you guys.
I love how easy the crock pot is.
Me
This
too.
is great.
Okay, that looks perfect. We're gonna go ahead, put our lid on, and set this to high. Okay, we just have 1 bag of frozen broccoli, 16-ounce Velveeta,
Ooh, cheese and broccoli.
cream of celery,
Cream of celery. I don't think I've seen cream of celery before. I like that.
there it goes.
Oh, yum.
It's super delicious.
Yes, I'm excited about this. Celery is really sweet. It's one of those underestimated veggies.
Yeah, just kind of make sure it's off the cheese because we want that cheese to melt.
Oh,
nice.
yeah, okay.
All right, and then we have some evaporated milk. That's just gonna make it nice and creamy. A little sweet to it. It's gonna be so good.
Delish.
Perfect.
Yummy.
All right, and then we're gonna use 3/4 of this family size mushroom.
Ooh,
cream of
family
mushroom.
size. Okay. That's the key, I think, right there. Making sure you
Yeah.
have enough of that. Wow, look at that.
It's gonna be so good.
Yes,
Okay,
I cannot
perfect.
wait to try this.
This is gonna be the best dinner for, you know, a nice cold winter day.
It is super cozy comfort food.
Yep, and it's all in your crock pot. I love crock pot meals because they're just so easy. You throw it in there, sit it, and forget it.
That's right. Oh my gosh, I love that too.
All right, and then I have some chopped onions. This is about half of an onion. You can skip this if you don't like onions, but I love onions.
Me too. Good for the heart.
Perfect. And then we're
Yeah.
gonna go ahead and do some butter slices.
Okay.
We're gonna use half a stick of butter and just place it.
Are you using salted or unsalted?
I'm using salted, but if you don't want that much salt, you totally can use unsalted.
Okay. And those are kind of thick.
Yeah. It doesn't
Yeah.
really matter. The crock pot will just melt it so
Yes,
quick and
okay.
easy. All right, now let's season up this baby a little bit. I'm gonna do some pepper in there.
Okay. Oh yeah. Black pepper.
Yeah.
Yum.
This is a big crock pot, so you gotta make sure you season it a lot, okay? Don't be skimpy
Yes.
with the seasoning. You want a nicely seasoned soup.
That's right. No skimping.
All right, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of salt. If you don't want as much sodium, you can totally skip the salt, but you know, I really want a nice salty soup because it's better that way.
And it brings out the flavor in the broccoli for sure.
All right, and that is it. I'm gonna set my crock pot to high and we're gonna let it cook. All right, this baby is ready. Let's look at it. Oh, that is the creamiest mac and cheese I've ever seen. I think this is my best mac and cheese yet.
It looks so good. What the
All
heck?
right, I'm gonna add some real bacon bits in there. Look, it says it's for mac and cheese right on the back.
Oh my god. What?
Yeah, can't get any better than this, right?
Oh my god. This literally looks like heaven.
Right.
Like if heaven had a form, it'd be this mac and cheese.
Okay, so we had it in our crock pot for about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Maybe a little less than that. Maybe like just 2 hours.
Yeah.
So quick and easy. It's gonna be a nice lunch for my whole family. Let's try some. What do you think?
This is great for like potlucks. It's great for everything.
It's great for Thanksgiving. So easy. You can take care of the turkey while this is just sitting on the counter.
Oh, that's so true.
Okay, I want a big, nice
Look how
scoop.
creamy that looks.
Right? Okay, let's
wanna
try
see
this
it.
creamy mac and cheese. Oh, the noodles are perfect too. It's hot.
Oh, that's a to die for face right there.
All right. Woo! Let's go ahead and put this on warm so it can just be warm for the party, for the game day. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some lime and I'm gonna squeeze it in there just to give it a nice acidic taste in there. Ooh, you see it squirt out like that?
Yeah, look at
Okay.
it bubbling too. That's amazing.
I think it needs a little bit more lime because this is a big
Yeah, it's a big thing.
pot of.
Oh, I see the lime squeezing out.
Great. Okay, let's give it one more stir and then give this a try. So it was in our crock pot for about 2 hours total. You just really want to make sure all of that cheese and everything gets melted. Like that queso just melted in there nice and perfect. That bacon's in there, the jalapenos. All right.
Smells so good.
So I'm gonna use my Fritos scoops, but you can use, tortilla chips, whatever you like. I just like how the scoops scoop. Okay, oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. Get the corn. This is our corn dip.
Is it good?
So good.
No, that's the scoop.
All right, this is about done. I'm gonna put this on warm so we can keep our dish warm as we serve it. Let's open this baby up. Oh yeah. And I wanted to let you guys know I did grease this, okay? So it's still gonna be an easy cleanup even though I didn't use a liner. Look at that cheesy, beefy. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Let's grab a nice big scoop. Yummy.
Beautiful.
This is gonna be so good. I want a big serving. This is my dinner. Okay, you can, cook up some garlic bread, some frozen veggies, and you have a whole dinner. It's so great, so easy. I cooked this for 3 hours on high, but you can do 6 hours on low if you have a busy work day and you just wanna set it and forget it. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. Ooh, those raviolis are perfect. I love the frozen raviolis because they just cook so nicely. All right. It's ready.
Oh my goodness.
See, that is how we want it to look.
That is so beautiful and gourmet. I love it.
So I cooked it on high for 2 hours, but you can cook it on low for 4.
Oh yeah, okay.
And you know, when it's cooked, you can just set it on warm and then it will be perfect for your dinner.
Yes, I love that. It's definitely such a great way to make dinner throughout the day.
Right? Our broccoli cheddar soup. Ooh, look at those chunks of broccoli. That's what I like in mine.
Me too.
Get some
I
of
guess
that.
you could use a puree or if you wanted to, if you wanted like cream of broccoli, not just like a broccoli cheddar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about. Okay. Gotta try this. I'm so excited.
Oh, it's so steamy. How is it? Cheddary goodness.